A video is being recorded.
Hello.
Say hi to Barb.
Hey, Barb.
Tell her what you're making.
I'm making your blocks look.
Oh, yeah.
I'm Netty. And Mars filming. She's behind the camera. You can
Hey,
hear her
Barb.
voice.
Yes, Barb. Hello.
So here are your blocks. These ones have been sanded on the machine, and then they've had a bit of a hand tickle. Everything gets tickled by hand before it get leaves, and then we'll engrave your logo on there and put your slots in. These are your medium ones here. These dudes, and they're your tall ones, and then I'll cut your little squares out for you, so that's a job for later on today.
Right, you were also asking about the size. She wants the size, the larger size slots.
Yes. And we wondered whether you just wanted them in the bigger ones or all of them. So if you can let us know that.
Right, some people are not putting slots at all because
No.
they prefer to have their stuff hang on the top.
Yeah, you can do that, and we'll
We're
give
definitely
you some
giving
screws.
screws, yeah.
So you can just bring it over, and then that way you've got complete flexibility. But it's up to you. You can have what you like.
All right, let's explain this earring thing.
Earrings. This is not one of your blocks. This is just a spare one. We've got lying around. So I drilled a little hole in the wood, going down at an angle, like so. Here's the hole here. So if you have got earrings that are like this, with a open kidney, okay, you can then just put that into the hole, and the item will hang. But then I thought, actually,
They could get damaged if anybody pushes
yeah,
down
maybe
on
it
them.
doesn't really hang very well. So I could either make that hole bigger, so it's got more wriggle room, and that will go further in, so this bit will touch further in. Or if you've got them with a closed kidney, obviously you can't do that. So then I thought, well, how about this instead? So I've made just this little contraption here. So I just use round nose pliers to curl this bit, and then bent this bit over. And then all I'm going to do is insert that into here, which is kind of like making a big kidney earring. And then pop that in there.
No, there's also the concern about the size of the earrings and interfering with the necklace.
Yeah, because it's whether or not, it's how much space. So really what I need to know is the middle of your average size earring to the middle of the next average size earring. That's hard to say. Hearing. And then I'll know where to drill the holes.
Right.
Okay. Because what I don't want to do, like Mars said, is that if we have them too far out, they might interfere with the necklace that's coming around.
Right, and they might like overlap each other.
Yeah.
And
But if they're too close, then, you know, if they're big chunky beads, then they might bang together. But if they're little delicate ones, then it should be okay. So if you let me know that, and then I can do that for you, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, does that sound all right?
It is, but Barb's in Michigan.
Barb is in Michigan. We like it there, don't we? We've got nice big Cabela's there.
She wants to know what brought you to Michigan.
Me?
Yeah.
Well, I went a couple of years ago. I went to the very last Mishfest. It was the 40th anniversary. That was amazing. I had a wonderful time with my friend Vivian. That was super cool. And then last year we went to see your best friend Sheila Ann, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
In Gladwin,
Yes.
Michigan. And we stayed there for a little while, and it was so amazing. I went in the boat, and we went fishing, and she had an old Schwinn bike. I had a little ride around on that, and we went to ice cream parlours and hung out in the garden and had a fire, and it was so wonderful.
I know, and Sheila Ann is a Michigander through and through. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I met her when she lived in New York, and now she's back there for good. And we will get you to the UP. Having used to gone to Michigan every year, it's hard that we only go a little bit now. But
Yeah, I think we'll be there this summer.
yeah, that would be good.
Maybe. I'm hoping to go to the family camp this year. So if you're a camper, Barb, might see you there. You never know.
And
Anyway,
we'd love
let me
to
know
see.
about these.
Yeah,
And then,
and we can get them made this
Yeah,
weekend
we
and
can get them
shipped
made this
on
weekend.
Tuesday.
shipped on Tuesday, because bank holiday weekend, everything's shut this weekend in England, and Monday as well. So.
Right, yeah. Okay, so then we'll get them shipped on Monday, and no worries about ordering again another time. It's fine.
No problem.
Plus, they're going to nail us on the shipping on these anyway, because I totally undercharged. It's probably going to be like 50 pounds to ship these or something.
Yeah, they're quite
They're heavy,
they're
yeah.
hardwood, so they're you know, they're heavy. But look how beautiful the grain is. I mean, we've had some really good feedback about these,
Yeah,
haven't we? People
yeah.
saying their work looks stunning when it's photographed on them. And yes, you're right. You know, they'll last forever. And if if they start to get a little bit tatty. The thing is, all you need to do is just sand them down. We don't actually treat them with anything, so that they don't interfere with any of your products. There's no oil or anything going to react with any metals or anything like that. So you can just give it a little tickle with some sandpaper and they'll look good and fresh again. So
Yeah, it's all good.
perfect.
All right then.
Bye, Barb.